Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Salesforce Certified Administrator Training. Lecture 1. In this lecture, we will learn about Introduction to Salesforce, Overview of Salesforce and its benefits, Understanding the Salesforce ecosystem, Introduction to Salesforce CRM and its features, different Salesforce editions and licenses, setting up a Salesforce developer account. Conclusion. Introduction to Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that has revolutionized the way businesses manage their sales, marketing, and customer service operations. With its powerful suite of tools and services, Salesforce enables businesses to streamline their operations, improve customer relationships, and increase revenue. In today's highly competitive business world, having a reliable and efficient CRM system is essential for success. Salesforce provides businesses with an all-in-one solution that can be customized to meet their specific needs and requirements. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Salesforce has the tools and resources you need to succeed. Overview of Salesforce and its benefits. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform that helps businesses streamline their operations, improve customer relationships, and increase revenue. One of the key benefits of using Salesforce is its ability to centralize customer data, making it easier for businesses to manage and analyze customer interactions. Additionally, Salesforce offers a range of tools and features that can help businesses automate tasks, such as lead and opportunity management, sales forecasting, and customer analytics. Understanding the Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce is a cloud-based platform that offers a wide range of products and services to support businesses of all sizes. At the heart of the Salesforce ecosystem is the customer relationship management (CRM) platform, which provides businesses with a single, unified view of their customers across multiple channels. In addition to the CRM platform, Salesforce also offers a variety of other products and services, including marketing automation, analytics, mobile app development, and collaboration tools. These products and services are designed to work together seamlessly, allowing businesses to streamline their operations and improve their overall efficiency. Introduction to Salesforce CRM and its features. Salesforce CRM is a cloud-based platform that enables businesses to manage their sales, marketing, and customer service activities in one place. One of the key features of Salesforce CRM is lead and opportunity management, which allows businesses to track their leads and opportunities throughout the sales process. This can help businesses identify potential sales opportunities and prioritize their sales efforts. Another important feature of Salesforce CRM is sales forecasting, which enables businesses to predict future sales based on historical data. This can help businesses make more informed decisions about their sales strategies and resource allocation. Finally, Salesforce CRM also includes customer analytics, which provides businesses with insights into their customers' behavior and preferences. This can help businesses tailor their marketing and sales efforts to better meet their customers' needs and expectations. Different Salesforce editions and licenses. Salesforce offers several different editions and licenses to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes and budgets. The most popular editions include the Enterprise, Professional, and Unlimited editions, each with their own set of features and capabilities. Additionally, there are specialized editions for specific industries, such as Health Cloud for healthcare providers and Financial Services Cloud for financial institutions. When choosing an edition, it's important to consider factors such as the size of your business, the number of users who will need access, and the specific features and functionality that are most important to your organization. It's also important to consider the cost of each edition and how it fits within your budget. Overall, Salesforce provides a range of options to help businesses find the right fit for their unique needs. Setting up a Salesforce developer account. To set up a Salesforce developer account, first go to the Salesforce website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal information and select the Developer Edition option. Once you've created your account, you'll have access to all of the developer tools and resources you need to build custom applications on the platform. Next, navigate to the Salesforce Exchange and browse through the available apps and components. You can also search for specific tools or solutions that you need for your development projects. Once you find what you're looking for, simply install it into your Salesforce org and start using it right away. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce is a powerful and versatile customer relationship management (CRM) platform that has revolutionized the way businesses manage their customer interactions and streamline their sales, marketing, and service processes. Throughout this introduction, we have explored the key features and benefits of Salesforce, including its cloud-based infrastructure, scalability, and extensive customization options. We have also touched upon its core modules such as Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Commerce Cloud, highlighting how they enable organizations to enhance customer engagement, drive sales, and deliver exceptional customer service. Salesforce's ecosystem of integrated applications and tools, such as Exchange and Trailhead, provides users with access to a vast array of pre-built solutions and resources to extend the platform's functionality and accelerate development and adoption. Furthermore, we have discussed the significance of data and analytics within Salesforce, emphasizing the platform's ability to capture, analyze, and leverage valuable customer data to make informed business decisions and personalize customer experiences. Overall, Salesforce empowers businesses of all sizes and industries to transform their customer relationships, boost productivity, and drive growth. Its user-friendly interface, robust feature set, and continuous innovation make it a leading CRM platform in the market today. By leveraging Salesforce, organizations can enhance their operational efficiency, foster customer loyalty, and gain a competitive edge in the ever-evolving business landscape.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.